everyone, this is Annie, and I'm going to give you the Tech Futures 2025 agenda tutorial. So in our agenda, you will see all our sessions here. You can see them by all days or by each individual day. There are wonderful tools in the agenda, and I'm going to show you how to use them now. Let's say that you're really interested in Tuesday rooftop session. So you're going to hit Tuesday here, and then you're going to hit locations and rooftop, and then they're sorted. And then once you have that, what you can do is the sessions you want to see, you can star them just like this. You can see I have. And then those starred sessions go in my interest. So they're all right here. It's so easy. You can also, if you click on the session, you can add it to your own personal calendar so you don't miss anything and make your own little customized agenda. Also, if you're interested in a particular speaker, you just click on it and it'll tell you everything about them. Also, I want to show you our Save Your Seat function. Right now, we have an amazing session with Jess King from Peloton. Now, this one's going to fill up really fast. So what you want to do is click here and hit Save Seat. Save. So that way you know when you get to that session, your name will be on that list. And there are sessions that have limited seating. And if that's the case for that session, it will give you an option to save your seat. I hope I helped you guys today. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. And we can't wait to see you. And we hope you have a great summit.